Hey, Bella. Yeah, you stopped, right?
Stop that, huh?
Yeah. You like that, huh? She's really aggressive.
This is
What are you gonna call this?
What?
I'm gonna call this puppy playtime.
Puppy playtime. Go puppy's playing time. Hey, calm down.
Hey,
I said don't even play like that.
Bella. Bella.
Oh, I just kicked him.
No, you didn't.
Dude, this dog's freaking scary. We do a little pot. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bella!
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 Come on, let's go swim. Wait, guys, there's this other cool thing.
You missed it. Watch.
Oh!
Huh. There's this other cool thing.
Look at the
And look. There's a baby bird in. Is it okay if I get it?
Yeah. You're trying to get him up.
Okay, guys. See this?
Yeah, he has a broken wing.
Guys, he got a broken wing. Subscribe for his broken wing.
If you subscribe, we can take him and fix him for 20,000 likes.
Yeah, for 20,000. Hold on, get out. Gotta fit your blanket, man. Okay, it's okay.
Hold on. I need to get blanket.
Oh, yeah,
Hold
guys.
my camera. Hold my vlog camera.
This is Roman Atwood Vlogs. You want me to take the video of it? Oh, dude, you're way too zoom in.
Yeah, subscribe to us. Bye.
Okay.